Would you like to click one single button to get free buyer traffic on demand? A single button that drives thousands of clicks to any affiliate link, website, or funnel of your choice? If yes, I've got the perfect solution for you. Because in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to explain how you can tap into over 1.7 billion active users every single day. You see, my team and I have discovered a never-before-seen loophole on some of the biggest websites in the world, allowing you to legally exploit them for 100% free traffic. These traffic sources have a combined total of over 1.7 billion monthly users, meaning you'll never run out of traffic again. And if you're wondering, yes, we're talking about buyer traffic here. Free buyer traffic has been the one thing that's taken our business from zero to thousands of dollars per day. And as we want to help as many people get results just like we've been getting over the past few years, we've decided to develop the most powerful traffic app on the internet that allows stone-cold newbies just like you to exploit the exact same traffic sources that we're tapping into on a daily basis to make over $183 every single day. On behalf of Glyn and the team, I'd like to introduce a game changer for all of those in need of traffic, a real-world first, the brand new Commission Loophole. The biggest, the best, and most powerful traffic app that you have ever seen. This is perfect for all those in need of fresh, hot buyer traffic in 2021 and beyond. Commission Loophole does all the hard work for you by tapping into this 1.7 billion traffic source to get free buyer traffic direct to your affiliate links, whenever you want, how often you want, all with just one single click. By exploiting this never-before-heard-of traffic and commission loophole, you'll be able to send buyer traffic to any link of your choice. Or you can use one of our hand-picked, 100% done-for-you profit campaigns you'll find inside the software. And here's how it works. Step 1. Exploit the loophole in this secret underground free traffic source with just one click. Step 2. Enjoy free buyer traffic 24/7, 365. It's as easy as that. This software has been named Commission Loophole for a reason. It exploits an underground loophole, which enables you to get as much free buyer traffic as you want. This will enable you to crush it online as an affiliate marketer. And for the record, you don't need an email list. You don't even need to get on camera or build an audience at all. And forget about paid traffic or losing any of your hard-earned money, because you do not need any of those things. This is a 100% free solution. So once you discover this loophole, follow the simple steps laid out, and you will never have to pay another dime again. Now, you're probably skeptical at this point, and to be honest with you, that's a really good thing. We actually want you to be skeptical here. There are a lot of bogus and overhyped apps and loopholes that are out there right now, pretending to be the real deal. But how do you know this one is actually legit? Well, in this case, we're going to let the proof speak for itself. We opened up Commission Loophole to a private group of beta testers. And within the last 30 days, the results that we've experienced from this are absolutely mind-blowing. I'm going to share them with you right here. So, out of the 20 beta testers that we had for Commission Loophole, the average user generated over $183 in passive income per day. These are people from all kinds of backgrounds, different ages, different countries, and different levels of technical experience and knowledge of traffic. It didn't really matter who they were or where they were from, they were all able to generate passive income with the Commission Loophole. The Commission Loophole takes about 5 minutes to set up, and once it's up and running, it does all the work for you 24/7, 365. Just leave it running in the background whilst you go out and enjoy your life. Want more traffic? Exploit this loophole as often as you want. Nobody is stopping you. It's here for you to take advantage of, just like our happy beta testers have been doing. If you have a computer or a smartphone, this is perfect for you. Our best advice at this stage is to just do it. Go ahead and secure your copy right now. We plan on charging at least $197 a month for this in the near future, but you won't pay anywhere close to that today. When you act now, it's just a tiny one-time investment. You'll also get multiple custom bonuses to maximize your results. Bonuses that you won't find anywhere else because no one else has them. These include even more free traffic apps and courses designed to help you succeed. And because your success is the only thing that matters, you're covered by our pro US-based support team. to swiftly answer any question that you may have once inside. And to make your decision a complete no-brainer, your tiny investment is protected by our industry-leading 180-day money-back guarantee. Use the app to generate free traffic for up to 6 months, completely free. There's only one catch. To get everything at this insanely low one-time cost, you need to act now to take advantage of this launch deal. So if you're ready to exploit this underground loophole for free buyer traffic on demand, which will enable you to crush it as an affiliate in 2021, then click below to lock in your discount immediately. Hurry, click the Add to Cart button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you in the members area.